Welcome to this tutorial on how to zoom in and out on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform used by traders and investors to analyze financial markets and make informed decisions. Zooming in and out is a crucial feature that allows users to examine charts and data in greater detail or get a broader view of market trends. To start, log into your TradingView account and open a chart. You can do this by clicking on the Charts tab and selecting the market or asset you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, you will see a range of tools and features at the top of the screen. To zoom in, place your cursor over the chart and use the mouse wheel to scroll up. As you scroll, the chart will zoom in, allowing you to see more detail. You can also use the plus and minus buttons at the top of the screen to zoom in and out. Clicking the plus button will zoom in, while clicking the minus button will zoom out. Another way to zoom is by using the zoom buttons on the toolbar. The toolbar is located at the top of the screen and has a range of buttons that allow you to customize your chart. The zoom buttons are represented by a magnifying glass with a plus or minus sign. In addition to using the mouse wheel and zoom buttons, you can also use the keyboard to zoom in and out. Pressing the plus key on your keyboard will zoom in, while pressing the minus key will zoom out. This can be a quick and convenient way to zoom, especially if you are using a laptop or do not have access to a mouse. It is also worth noting that you can reset the zoom by clicking on the reset button. The reset button is represented by a small arrow and is located on the toolbar. Clicking this button will return the chart to its default zoom level, allowing you to start again from scratch. Best practices for zooming on TradingView include using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, as this allows for precise control. You should also use the zoom buttons on the toolbar to customize your chart and get a better view of market trends. Finally, be sure to reset the zoom regularly to avoid getting too focused on a particular area of the chart. In conclusion, zooming in and out on TradingView is a simple and intuitive process that allows users to examine charts and data in greater detail. By using the mouse wheel, zoom buttons, and keyboard, you can customize your chart and get a better view of market trends. Remember to use best practices such as resetting the zoom regularly and using the mouse wheel for precise control. With practice and experience, you will be able to use the zoom feature on TradingView to make more informed investment decisions.